And welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to catch the Japanese flying squid in Heartopia. So this Japanese flying squid in this Call of Whales event is very important because this is one of the ingredients that you must have to when you to cook the any special food. The special food for this event, one of them is grilled squid, and then to cut it is very easy. First you just need to face it at the whale sea, and it will spawn all time all weather like this. And if you want to cut it more easily, you can just cut it when you join this fishing event that held by Vanya in whale sea like this. You can see it. You can just join the event when it held by Vanya every 6 p.m. or you can also start it yourself by paying it with 2000 gold. And then after that just join the event like usual, and then you can also use with Attractor or Mermaid Perfume to increase your chance to get this squid. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.